guys, so we are in Black Bar and Grill in the Star City in Sydney. We're about to have our beautiful dinner here. They are really famous for their steak. So we ordered 3 different kind of steak. So over here, this is the 9+ WAGYU, the skirt pot. And over here is the Striploin grass fed. And this one is the filet Angus. So we ordered some other side dish to share as well. So this is the salad, this is the buttered potato puree, mushroom ragu if I'm not mistaken. And we order mushroom sauce, mushroom and a peppercorn. And before we start our dinner, they gave us this bread as well to have for entree. And this one too. So yeah, we're so excited to try how good their steak are. So let's dig in. Okay. Oh, here, look how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm gonna pour a bit of the mushroom. Just a little bit because I want to try the flavor and the texture of the steak itself. It has like a chewy flavor, a texture, and it's tender as well. And over here, so it's another one. So this is the filet one. All right. I must say it's not as tender and as chewy as the Wagyu that I tried first. So now let's try the last one. Okay. All right. So this is the Striploin. Okay. Whoa. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful with all the fatty around. Okay. I love it. The texture is so tender. Only a bit chewy a little bit, but it's so tender. And the fatty around, it's amazing too. Like look at all the beautiful steak. It's amazing, guys. I love it. And I love the Wagyu one as well. So now, I'm gonna finish this beautiful steak in front of me. But before that, I'm gonna try the side dish first. So this is the potato butter puree. Look how amazing it is. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit and try here. Okay. The texture is really smooth, like a puree texture. And it has this buttery flavor come out from it. And let's try this one. I think this is the salad. It has pomegranate in it, as you can see, this red one. It has this sour taste, freshness from it, and the pomegranate really gives like a kick and a punch for the salad. Last one, it's gonna be this mushroom ragu. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna use this one. Look how beautiful, like this brown top. So crunchy, look. Oh, do you guys hear the voice? The sound of this crunchy puff pastry. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. I love mushroom. It's kind of taste has like a creamy taste as well, which is really amazing, perfect companion for the mushroom. Which is such a perfect companion for the mushroom and the puff pastry. It's so amazing, guys. Oh, look at that. You. Is it? Ooh.
Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, we have finished our delicious steak and other sides as well. And now it's time for dessert. Because they say nothing is complete without dessert. So here we ordered the chocolate ganache, the one you just saw. With the dome and everything. It's melted, the dome chocolate. And I'm so curious to see what's inside. And this is the creme brulee. Beautiful. So now let's try the chocolate ganache first. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay, let me try this one. This is like a Rice Krispie. Is it sour like a raspberry sorbet or something, like sorbet thing? It's sour. I think this is the dark cherry. Here, cherry pieces. Yes, it is. Coconut ice cream. Let's put a bit of. It's beautiful. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. Okay, so the staff that serve us asked our occasion coming here, and look at this one. We told him this is one of our birthday, and he brought us in a surprise this beautiful cake with this beautiful writing. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh, this is very sweet. Oh wow, so now we have 3 desserts. Okay, now let's try the creme brulee. Okay. This has like a wafer stick or something. I think this is like sorbet, maybe. Okay, let's try. With the passion fruit. Okay. I love creme brulee. Let's try just by itself. Creme brulee is my favorite. Okay. Mango sorbet. So fresh. No, it's passion fruit sorbet. Oh my gosh. Sorry. And then this is the passion fruit puree. Let's have a bit with the creme brulee. This is such a perfect combination, guys. the fresh and sourness of the passion fruit combined with the sweetness of the creme brulee, crunchy texture of the sugar, the brulee here on the top, and then the beautiful smooth texture of the cream. Oh my gosh, this is just adds up all the goodness experience of the creme brulee. Okay. Delicious, guys. So good, so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish the dessert in front of me and we'll get back to you later. So guys, we have finished our beautiful dinner here in Black Bar and Grill. We spent $300 for our dining experience. Overall, it's so amazing. The service was amazing. So the staff who served us was Nicola. He's very accommodating and he's very kind as well. So it's just an amazing service experience, and the taste of the steak were amazing too. I absolutely love the striploin cut, but like the other one, in my opinion, the filet one is not as special in my opinion. So this is strictly my opinion. It's not as special as the other two. So for you guys, if you want to try the steak here, you don't necessarily need to choose the expensive one, which is the Wagyu, which is great and delicious and amazing. But you can also opt for the striploin one. It tastes so good, the flavor is so rich, the texture is just amazing in my opinion. And also the dessert, oh my gosh, the creme brulee, guys. The combination of the creme brulee and the passion fruit puree and also the passion fruit sorbet is just, oh my gosh, it's so over the top. That's one of the most amazing creme brulee experience, because that's one of my favorite desserts. So I try a lot. In here, like they combine every element of this dish perfectly. So everything like you have on the plate really enhance the experience of the creme brulee itself. So guys, that's all our dining experience today in Black Bar and Grill, Star City, Sydney. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it's really meant a lot for us. We really appreciate it, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next adventure. Bye!